The overall goal of this procedure is to standardize the implementation of Physarum polycephalum-based Memristors to begin facilitating their integration into technology.
Using this method, we can begin investigating the practical applications of Physarum polycephalum-based components outside the laboratory and in the real world. The main advantage of this technique is that it renders the components into a form that is both accessible to non-experts and feasible to integrate into an electrical schematic.
We first had the idea for this method when we developed a musical processing system that harnessed Physarum polycephalum-based Memristors for real-time performance. By developing a system that was based on these components for outside of the laboratory, issues of practicality had to be addressed.
To begin, first, load the high-impact polystyrene into the 3D printer. Then, prepare the 3D printer for use. Set the print bed temperature to 85 degrees Celsius and the extruder to 230 degrees Celsius. Once at the target temperatures, loosen the idler arm, insert the filament, and push down until the polystyrene extrudes from the hot end. Then, retighten the filament idler arm and remove the extruded material. Next, in the software control, load the STL model file for the 3D receptacle, and if there are high or low print qualities to choose from, make the print high quality while also ensuring that the correct material profile is selected.